We tend to misunderstand what vulnerability is. We think of vulnerability as crying on each other's shoulders or talking about our parents. But actually, vulnerability has a very specific definition in neuroscience. Vulnerability is a neural cascade that begins when someone says something that another person could judge. I might tell you that I like Star Trek better than Star Wars, and you might think that's the dumbest thing you've ever heard. But what's important there is that I've said something to you that you could judge. And if you react by judging me, then I will become wary of you and mistrustful. But if instead of judging me, you withhold judgment, or even better, if you share something about yourself, then we will feel closer to each other. We'll feel more trusting of each other. It doesn't mean that we're going to agree with each other, and we don't have to agree with each other. We might want to vote for different people or believe in different, gods. But the fact that I have shared something that you could judge and you have withheld judgment, and more importantly, that you have shared something with me that I could judge and I've withheld judgment in return, that makes us feel close to each other.